Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to verify a YouTube account in 2021. So this is the most up-to-date method as of filming, but if an updated method does become available or an updated way to verify your account, what I'll do is post a link to the video at the top of the screen. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, first thing we need to do is open up a new browser and come across to youtube.com. And then if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and sign into your account. And then what you want to do is click your profile icon up here in the top right hand corner, and then come down to YouTube Studio. So once this is loaded, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you're going to do is go down and click onto Settings, which is down here. And then you want to click onto Channel. And finally from here you need to click onto Feature Eligibility, which is here at the top. So what happens by default is everyone gets this no matter what, as long as your channel is free of community guideline strikes. And everyone's got the potential with YouTube to upload videos, create playlists, add collaborators to playlists, and add new videos to existing playlists. So if you actually verify your account, you do get some additional features and things you can do. Basically what you need to do is, it's a phone verification. At the moment there's no way to do a verification by email, it does have to be by a phone. And what they do is basically either call you or they'll send you a text, depending on whether you use a mobile phone or a home telephone. But once you've actually verified your account, you're then able to get additional features, which again, you just need to make sure that you're free of active community guideline strikes. Otherwise it's not going to let you do it. But obviously you get access to the default features, but as well as that you also get to create videos that are longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, which you can create. You can also do live streaming, and you can also put appeals through for content ID claims. I've already verified my phone number, you can see I've got a tick there. But what's going to happen is you'll have a box here which will say verify your account. So if you're not verified, you would just click onto that, enter your phone number, and what's going to happen is YouTube will send you a PIN, which will be by text or voicemail, by voice call, sorry. And what you would then do is just enter that PIN into here. That would verify the account and you'll have access to the additional features. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.